our pal Oscar. Say hello, Oscar.
Hey.
All right. Oscar, as you can see, just has a number of interesting things happening on his back. A lot of these little spots here, these are actinic keratoses. And these are from sun exposure when you were a kid, Oscar. Now, did you get a lot of sun when you were younger?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay, by us. But we do have a couple of what are known as porovoiners. So we're going to go ahead and remove these for you. And we're going to do that right now. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just give you a little injection. You might feel a little stick, sting, and a burn. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, little stick. These are
sting and then burn.
Sting and a burn.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't be too bad. Maybe a little bee sting. There we go. Got that one.
Yep. When they were up 6-2 in the 7th inning.
Oh, I remember. It's a painful.
That was so sad.
And so basically we just make a little nick right on the side of these and then we'll be able to get everything out you want to do. Did Mr. Gonzo watch?
No, well, I don't really know because I know he was too busy doing his projects that he needs to do for school. It's really tough. I didn't realize how tough it was till I saw what he was.
Did you see that coming out?
Yeah.
There it is. Oscar, both of them came out without much of an argument.
Yeah.
Came right on out of there.
Have a little core down in there?
Yeah, the larger one kind of did. I'm just going to make sure that's empty. There we go.
You could get this one on the front. That'd make a good picture.
Yeah, that would, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we just had a little more material in there, but I think that's all empty now. There it is right there.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
You're a good sport. We'll do that other one in the front or two in the front next time, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. How'd you do overnight, my friend?
Slept good, actually.
You did? Okay.
Take this off at least because he has a couple.
Yeah, let's take that off first. Actinic keratoses that you have.
Yes, sir.
Right there.
He's trying to be nice and
helpful. No, you are nice and helpful and all dressed up in your Christmas outfit. Okay, so we're going to freeze these little spots first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Liner you've got.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do a freezing. Are you ready?
Yes.
Take a deep breath. Here we go. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3. 4. Shut the door. 5. 6. How was it? Was that real bad?
No.
It's really not that bad, is it? Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this packing out.
Breathe.
Take a deep breath. Ready? There we go. Hey.
One thing that I forgot to get.
You forgot to get some more lidocaine, but you know what? We're going to be okay because this really did a good job of staying open. We're going to put it back in there. And then we're going to refreeze you today. Going again. All right, we got a little lidocaine here. I'm just going to squirt some of this numbing medicine in there into that raw wound that I was going to be so rude and just put that packing in there without treating it first. Now, we started doing this some time ago. Mr. Colby, how are you?
Fine.
Feeling good?
Feeling better.
All right, fantastic. We're going to put another dressing over that, and then we'll see you back tomorrow.
Okay.
Again, at your convenient time.
Okay.
All right, my friend.
Don't take my face.
I've got a toe problem. Gonzo's going to have to operate on me. And nobody better make fun of my ugly foot or the...
Ow! Yeah. There's a lot. You can even see it.
Oh, look. See that? That's called a paronychia. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to clean this with alcohol, then you're going to spray it really good with cold spray, and you're going to take the scalpel and you're just going to make a little stick right in that area there.
Okay, so...
Careful, it's pretty sore. Okay, and this little black thing is just fuzz from my sock. Don't anybody be making fun of my toes.
There. Yeah. Need to make it bigger?
Mama. Hey.
Don't cut yourself, Doc.
Just squeeze a little bit. Ooh.
Yeah.
Look at that coming out of there.
Beautiful color.
Full color.
Beautiful.
Don't even need the cold spray. Oh,
yes.
Good job, Gonzo.
learn something from the best, huh?
Exactly.
It already feels better. It was pretty sore. Okay. Alright, I think that's going to be good. We'll just put a band-aid on there. We don't need to stick the doctor anymore. Thank you for your help. You're all wonderful. I'll get a pedicure when I'm done, I promise. I don't worry about such things.
I will send you to a very good one.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. We're going to have Gonzo spray some cold spray on you.
No. This thing has just gone crazy on me.
But I have to take it one before.
You had to tase the doctor?
Protect it.
Oh, protect one. Okay. Well, that's okay. Little stick.
Oh.
Sting and a burn. Gonzo says it, but she didn't say it this time. Deep breath.
Breathe.
Wonderful. Good. They do. They love Gumby.
She's a hater.
New Mexico, you love Gumby too, don't you? And you just barely met her, right?
Right.
New Mexico, who's the last person you tased? You got tased? Oh, okay. How was it?
It didn't hurt.
Yeah, no, we just lifted it up. Now we're going to slip the cutter in there. We're going to cut out part of that nail. Everybody's going to notice that you've got... Okay, wait, time out. We're going to hear a click now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Wow.
How was that? That's a pretty good click.
Yeah, that was good.
All right, we made the cut. We're going to carefully remove part of your toenail, which is literally going to just fall out here. Nice and slow. There it is, a piece of nail. And a phenol right there. Okay. And then we're going to just put it right in there.
Yeah, you teach us bad habits. Just saying.
Okay, that's about 20.
That about 20? I would say so too. All right, we're gonna take that out. Hopefully, New Mexico, that nail is not gonna grow back now, just on that edge. So hopefully, ingrown toenails are going to be a thing of the past. How are you?
Wonderful.
Okay. We're gonna start today. This is your third visit on some of these things we're doing for you here. The epidermoid cyst that was infected that we removed. We're gonna unpack it. We're gonna remove that pack.
Really?
Not really? Okay, we're gonna just pull this dude out of here.
Breathe.
Good work, little Gonzo. The frostbite process, you could say too. And in a couple of days, these will swell up even more, and then they'll dry back down, and they should just peel off or fall off.
Okay.
All right. So what we've got here, I've circled some new little lesions for people to see here. These are really small for the most part, but they're pores of Weiner, and really all that is just a retained blackhead. They're not dangerous, but since you've been so good to come in and let us video you, we're going to take these off for you. All right, I've got a little lidocaine with epinephrine, just a really small little injection I'm going to do on all of these so that we can squeeze them out without causing you a bunch of pain. You should barely feel these. Just like a little bee sting. Teeny tiny. How was that? Did you even feel it much?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. A little bit's okay. I'm using a tuberculin syringe, which I believe has a 30 gauge needle on it. It's tough to even feel the stick, right?
27.
Okay, well, that's like a 30. 27 is very close.
I'm correcting you, yes, I know.
I have no problem with that.
You correct me all the time, it's my turn.
Okay. All right, we're gonna make a little nick here. And that's why we used the lidocaine, so that we could do this part here. Good.
Doesn't hurt.
Doesn't hurt. All right, let's get this one here. Oh yeah, the big one coming out there. Push again this direction, make sure it's empty. Yep, it's empty. These are fairly shallow for the most part, so they're coming right out. Yep, they're not all. Oh, this one's really big, Gonzo. You there? Look at that come out of there. Okay, let's get this one. This one was coming out just with the injection. Look at that. Yeah. There we go. There you go. You look pretty spruced up there, except for the red spots all over and the big dressing on your back and the little blood stains. You look great.
That's it.
Hey folks, Watson here for Meta 7, a supplement designed by Dr. Gilmore to help you activate your life. It's called Meta 7 because there are 7 ingredients that are all necessary for a healthy metabolism. Makes sense? People tend to be deficient in many of these 7 ingredients due to the modern Western diet. Meta 7's formulated to facilitate your body's natural energy production. Personally, it's helped me get off caffeine and energy drinks. And it's not just me. There's dozens, if not hundreds, of testimonials on Dr. Gilmore's YouTube page if you want to check them out. But the bottom line for most people is that they feel more focused and energetic throughout the day. So check out some other videos on Dr. Gilmore's page if you want to know more, or just try it for yourself. There's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Watson out. If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.